Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, including news of post-debt limit cleanup. With a deal done, even a temporary one, eyes are now on the impact of the shutdown in the US and the consumer reaction. Early signs are that American consumers are likely to breathe easier during the holiday shopping season, boosting retail sales. There was also an expectation that the crisis will delay the Fed's tapering plans until the effects settle. Along with a fall in US jobless claims last week and a rise in a big regional factory index, US equity markets have exploded out of the gate positively, with the S&P 500 likely to end today's session in record territory. The oil price has fallen sharply overnight, with the benchmark US price down to $100 a barrel at one point, although it has recovered slightly since then. The Brent benchmark is at $110 a barrel. These price levels are similar to what they were 3 years ago. Positive things they may be, but outside the US, people are reassessing what went on and worried that these short-term responses are habitual. Gold has snapped back up to well above $1,300 an ounce, and the US dollar exchange rate is tumbling, pushing our currency up over 85 US cents, moving with the US currencies and the yuan. The Chinese official media is making a big deal about the reassessment of how it holds its foreign reserves. They may be trapped now because the US Treasury is the only instrument with enough capacity to hold their wealth, but they are actively looking for alternatives. They have few choices to hold their $3 trillion in reserves. US Treasury 10-year bond yields have fallen back to 2.6%. We are only in October, but the Australian fire season is well underway, with events that are as bad as it gets. This coming summer will be a real test of Australia's ability to cope with extreme heat, and that response will likely have a lasting impact on New Zealand. New Zealand dollar starts today yet again higher at 85.1 US cents, 88.3 Aussie cents, and the TWI is at 78.3. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.